In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to get the best hosting or coupon code and maximize your savings on web hosting. To get started, simply click the link in the description below. By using that link, the special offer will be activated automatically. Once you're on Hostinger's website, choose the plan that best fits your needs, whether it's premium, business, or cloud startup hosting. This promotion isn't limited to web hosting. It can also apply to other Hostinger services, including VPS hosting and business email solutions, and much more. For this example, I'll select the Cloud Startup plan. When you reach the checkout page, you'll see that the promotion has already been applied automatically. You'll get an extra 20% discount, plus a free domain name for 1 year. It's one of the best Hostinger deals available for anyone looking to create a website at the lowest possible cost. Please note that this offer is available on 12, 24, and 48-month plans and does not apply to monthly subscriptions. If you'd like to claim this deal, click the link in the description below. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.